step down, some resign. So I wish him all the best, but trust me, I'll be dealing with those games as they come. Now, that's a free. Any Usyk Alexander no. Yati there. First one, Usyk, I agree, sir.
Sompa Sports.
You have got two-way, no. Only option, Wajatum. He's accepted the fact that there should be a rematch, which is part of the two-way clause. And no, I established that you can't do anything about it. You must accept the two-way, no. One way, your first one, the two is this. Secondly, so we're invoking clause, no. And the 70-30 to be reversed, Usyk will pick 70% of the revenue generated from this bout. Fury, pick 30, unlike the first one. Now, Usyk, manager, agrees claimers, H4, MR, IBF. Some was a mandatory bout a war. Usyk and so we need pay Philip Hegovich and Daniel Dubombe kun 1st June way. Omukun we are the winner have to face him. Sorry, I say for that. But what we call the exception to the rule. Okay. A krata trauma, the sanctioning body. Sanctioning body in this case IBF. Say me pamucho. Ahani yakuno undisputed. Me sremo minim se mandate se mkwa me sremo we dey me sremo mo hu me mobo na mo jitu se na be a me kunso a me hye mo belt no so anuonyam how na sem nyina won enti at the end of the day nia akon say there peoples I the IBF president accept atroma mo say so now they have the go ahead to use the IBF as part of the 4 titles I'm going to call undisputed. No? So to see, Papa Najet, the president Ajatum. So that will come on. That undisputed bout will come on in October. The specific date.
4 bets.
Okay.
And is any T and also 10 home. Also 10 home.
But Fury want to revenge of because you see, Bobaron so I can age any Fury after this bout. So on person who is who operating or Wembley. But so let's a little on Bobaron confirming it.
Have we still got time now for Tyson Fury and AJ at Wembley or something like that in this country? Have we
that's what I think next year, yeah, definitely. Win or lose, whatever happens, that fight is something that has to happen because
next year they
wouldn't age.
Oh, I know. So we're not if you're
92 years. And done boxing for about 60 years.
Yeah.
Okay. But Ochinama Becho, Bibi, oh yeah, and yet, but Ochinama Becho.
Oh, Mate, me that say, you have a quick break on 21st clinic. Branabeje, YRS free or in 2 Yadin in Asema Babia, YJBSC only predrenum, you the machine, FM, and I said, oh, farm machine in my way, a machine treatment. A better Babia, Yadian Shena, Yashaso, I'm on no qua. MBM and until you say yeah expert in sciatica but money also be bani peduano intini free wachi kase ni mo ba aye wo to ase esan fa wo nan ni mo tia na esen ho ni nyina no say oh problem ewom na emu tutu emu ye ya wo nante aye jaw anaut eya pa mo hu obi o say ne ho no ya nam se kai o sciatic nerves no a che se ono ahu say sciatica e ha dwen pa ko 21st clinic kudru a ye tu ase na che so pani no Sebi and now taku and some point in ama or Dubai Nanka or okay pa Nanti Esan so Pomu Dimba Kwakamantina or Sebra now untu Yadiasi Emma or Tramodel Laboratory Yamasaja board in Yawo Kumasia a show overseas junction near Ben Alpha Radio Boise Court Junction Ayo Council Quarters and crying Drum Market and Afio Sunyane and Kranza Techiman Sahinano Obenya 21st Clinic 0540 311 311. Yanko break and running for commercials and Rassia. Ya ba, ya befie.
One I'm a taste of Bano say or Canada.
Oh, woko, okosuku.
Na yesi a japi abanon so or na so no die or kwaye adwuma.
Me say, amanfo kwakono. Enya gro.
Jaya no hwan e di won kwasa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa kwa ma no ne die. Wode obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany. They will take you there. Next year visit. And now turn so woko Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, any Germany numa wade obeko. Say ya juma so wade obeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Kumasi, Asafo Leba, Runabout Wa, and crying. Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, Our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale, Teaching Hospital, Takrade, Market Circle, and our offices, our Mabebre, so telephone 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say, mani peduan kwamwano enya hoten na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebedwasono wono a ene the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makora nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku hu Ashford Princess and obra kodudie no so Ashford Galaxy wo die na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me ba dodomi ye dwane bia akwahyehe ho Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na akofa bedwaso etu phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon need.
If I shall plan, I'm sure you'll bag me.
Brother, and that's okay.
What time about me? She see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Mister. It's your Jimmy me fearful, and you're the about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Mister Juan Dancia. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mister?
And you go, dear, no matter what to me any deal. Where do any time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle fruit. Dear, what ma for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shasta Wako Hospital and NASA Lab. I'm what who said, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA aji a judging cratoy at home.
Unate de ma baako ewo ni nsuhye yeti anopani anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya preke se powder to Kingswalk Herbal ni Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ni Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ni Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 Preke se powder eye aduane san ye aduro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agi atum
Original Games 2024 Wole Monko Ghana's all-time top scorer, former Black Stars captain, Samuajan, the baby jet at the Original Games 2024 edition of the Beshishaso Original Games, a mini Olympics. I just a man tam doing siya walk. I will buy Ghana Muno. Women now be siya can emu ebi. Na the Tiani said, we are babuno, so your bar and now Bema when you finish ya a do what air kono. You are can see outdoor. Ebi any football, volleyball, arm wrestling, boxing, athletics, basketball, table tennis, and a lawn tennis. Soon Musa Gremubia Oyadia, but what do you call your website? www.originalgames.com. Nako register Emma Omantamu. The Unyade registration, Ebia Ogana card, and now a passport or national health insurance card or birth certificate. And on how to register. So your registration via Yabema data or the back Mantama woman no acquire justify your inclusion. Umadimo Sanipe Mantamno Ebefao Edu account one final tima Wadiba the grand finale Ebebaso 4th November Engrano Eho and a trophies, medals, and ya Chedia Odua Adasono Mantam Nina Ebeshia Nomadi Afeso and Benefosia Magania Magashia and you Wamagaho Sao Penchemubi Afre 0267 084048 Jumedie So Peso Swasene and now sponsor call your website www.originalgames.com. Original Games 2024 Wole Monko. So wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers, Efro. Yama wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Ebana bedside lamps and so OP MR types, or mark shapes. Colors ahodo nina. Ubenya biato ewana sweye ho. Se ope LED backlight. Edi above flash screen echia. And also OP ebe so selfie ring lights, I do phone bishim, a OP wallpapers, and a bema selfie ring lights. OP, Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo GNTC building, first floor, Anachronom, our barrier on the market and Edian share. So open wholesale, and answer retail, any OP, any in South free OP, our 0540 353750.
The Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do my and say BCC was saying, now your boy was saying, by Amawonum, and so Axi, and I said, was saying, any money, so I found to my pa. If you fix one, no, and I said, you tap for the permanent one, no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crowd. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, no more, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, Ibia, and never be as she a cinema, said you, Okasa, it's me, my pampan, and I did ever, no, Oba Gentleman Dental, you yet need to be a Gentleman Dental Clinic, you for Central Police Station and Chenwa, and I would do and kind so sway Wonungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so, and I would do Takwa the pipe one, traffic light and a pipe one, Yannick OGN Bank and with the same premises, and a Kachiman so your magazine market a suwa, and I say opposite AY Ahmed, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station, traffic light now, and if G runabout on who free Total Filling Station, I have brought Simon at Edio, a year you may free Eda Joda Popem Eda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
Okay, yemra na me yemetwa so e wo fie na Kunlun Ghana Limited say yen kan chosa still. China for no bina ha mane chese nuane hini. Wo mo ede ayenupa abetwa so Ghana for mano medro ne bi da no. Mo na dia dance sampa Kunlun Ghana Limited no enso ayenupa ye wo drip fan say hunchu capsules eno anamaka chow say oye bema odwonso wo problem odwonso na emaye anase bia odwonso ntentam nso a wo dro no aye hunchu capsules so no na beboa ebesa ma wabon ho by the free prostate enlargement ho na fe ama wagina so kama say drew some pem ana bema modern boy ewo from sexually wayemre chese untimi nyenyoma ye wo gina oba rough gina wife rough basa na obi bobi edi agu kaso a mane nkonkoye dede de biesa so wana modern boy from anunti won problem bia wadro no Mr. Kill any side effect be ni pedwane madwuma na kotodwane mu na slow erection in low libido ni nyina no enso akọ amoba araba bazen tablet enso ebedu akagina mu ebeboa menstrual pains and menstrual cramps ban se bi oba wo de mu na abeso hohuru mu ema chese akwada na eba simple ni nyina no aye dref fan se araba bazen tablet herbal shop and pharmaceutical shops ni nyina mu 0244 275429 0206 271016 na chese Kunlun enso eno no waje bi enso ato Boris B ese yen kanche mo run restaurant mo ye chop bar mo ye fast food afei mo nso je orders ni nyina se duane de aye dia be bi na so yo bia wo pa akoko na mo nko de a akoko no so de ye stew ana so de ye nkwan no ya bombo de so be ba na so e wutobi e de akofie mo nso mo run cold store no mo betimi age bia ton fa so no aye mo ankasa mo de Boris B chicken over the Jew food chicken a J chicken thigh chicken wings any gizzard ni nyina no sabeka essence aye halal enti so de ye aduane na bia kramuni anase muslimi ni ba be dibia enkofa ha obia enso emma santas run about ye ne aye unity oil edi enhwa asonse market no obenya bi ato anafe Bantama High Street ye ne presby sorry no enso edi enhwe Boris B 0544444453 now Boris B and so cloud internet essay so stable internet connection e wo fie and also offices unyumam wo ya internet connectivity open sa Wi-Fi e kan wo just a hotspot ni nyina no ye be bi ediama wo pe internet e fast e reliable boss one abesenko just a bonus hour from e $4 e cloud internet and so and a beboa na digital security locks no wo so ebiama anafe web hosting just a Cloud Ghana internet services yeah the amount in no cloud internet and also call woman so aswe top high and omo just so many kuma o mine rural bank the same building mo 0244 601933 0202 699 110 number no and so NJ was so I say obeso nya adwuma ye so ya baba wa na so ya bemua between the ages of 15 ekosi 35 years and way and so aye Ghana grows adwuma e wo krom we ya Mastercard Foundation and a Springboard Roadshow Foundation and afi Limehouse and penfo na diaba agriculture vocational skills agribusiness and technical ya besama career guidance ya ma counseling ya ma essential skills training just in foot just a foot will be out here there adwuma mo no jay and debema 0308 255775 number no and Joso Luther fancy BBI okay dear
nyame adom bro na so
nyame adom kakra ebu so
what say
some passport
material bi ane e fe no water bam bam we say bi da
mitini din
na viscous so oh nessa na mususa efia na wo hu de ne akomia de ne
ebia me nimba di na obone na ase ebi
me so da apostle da bi
ebia di na obone na
da bi di ane wo ha no water bam bam
okay
na viscous Christmas ye pampa tra no de gunche na beko be nipa miensa
okay ane mano so ba ko fa na bronko sua
and sem nanu ya Right, maybe children tell beside right. I bring us to see a breaking normal down of Fisemu at the man with full time to my dear Sunian Shassia and free Black Stars as swear. Yen say enche now World Cup qualifiers. Baby Basu Abi Bremha now Roma 2026 at Diano on my bay and I represent Africa. Ewo Uramo United States of America, South Sudan, Canada, and Mexico. Now Koroma Minu Kasai. Ghana or double header at the end against Mali and Central African Republic. Namno say Blaster squad no enya Emma Abonte reporter yate and say coach your friend Otto Addo and no numre and Otto Addo touch it down. Ewo Ghana ha Nyamia Dom Diamete and say Biadi Dama Webe and Kwasi China numre and say test down opa na squad no when ya announce na bibia aye come Mali squad aba abi biade dem na Ghana ye de no enya emae na omo be piamu pe on be 6 days training e wo Legon University of Ghana Stadium or ansa no makwa ko piamu Bamako eni Mali e de akopem so mko ya obi on be sia ba Ghana abe prepare any Central African Republic e de apem so na me duaduamu kakra no de ama squad no a delay kakra and say one Jeffy von A play master class. Nina na say omo pese omo release tambe release squad no na say a delay na confuse Mali for no say Mali for no shada squad no e say players be na ba we mu na ba na no atima e kama and watch no omo say omo train behind closed doors say the be for tactical reasons na ye kopem Mali say I walk up no Ghana yankobia e be adwene pa eno e pe me wura dem take akra me de amamu no na yengra mo the Black Stars omo asuyeye the Black Stars sunyame pa na 3rd and 4th no eso etimi abaso about 4 p.m. and Ghana the under 17 friend the Black Stars and Nigeria ebe pre 3rd and 4th ewo University of Ghana Stadium ewo Accra na no kasabi biad damnura emrante no mo final training no mo wie no Ghana Football Association open proper your friend Kate ES or Kreku etimi ekoye ene nkoda no kodin komo shomum krane ese babia bebe to bia employee omo emo money enye coach our ban obetumi no ma yadwuma omo hwe obetumi qualify ama bia so etuma ya kama no wie ye ne yakwa ne coach no ya assistant number 1 ene omo de adwuma na mana jefrenon nana kweku adjuman ekodi nkomisa se coachito adwuma ne damo na ne laye ene ye adwuma ne woni ho woni Jacob Nati ene ebe adwuma so for my ready for the game against Nigeria now.
I mean, after the defeat of Burkina Faso, it was a little rough, but we've been able to psych the boys up and then we've gotten them back in. The boys are ready because they have a lifeline and they know that they have to take that lifeline to be able to qualify for AFCON. It's extremely important. I mean, it's my first national assignment. At first being the assistant to Kinson and now taking the reins for this last game, I think it's very, very important. For me, it really defines my coaching career, and I am going to do everything possible to win this, to put smiles back on the faces of Ghanaians, and also to be able to uplift my own self as a coach.
Was so my ready na no your assistant Edema Kingston na no niwa ni coaching career no afei e no so wram na wei na be kire adwuma so ne modern bar oba ebe the main boss obetimi ayentine adwuma no be de Ghana for owie na busan na qualification o say ebetimi akọ e de ama the Black Starlets ana.
After the defeat, they were really down because these are boys that have been together for about 7 months, preparing to qualify for the AFCON. And then unfortunately, we lost to Burkina. So they were really down. But when they heard that there is a lifeline, I mean, they are all geared up, trying to make up for that loss. And also, they know that it's a defining moment for them. They want to be able to go to AFCON, not just there, but be able to also qualify for the World Cup. So they are geared up. I mean, I've had a couple of times where some of them have come to my room to tell me that, coach, we are pumped up, we are ready. A few times I've been to some of them, their rooms to talk to them, to psych them up. And almost every time I go there, now they have smiles, now they are happy because they still know that there is a chance to qualify.
chance wo ho a betima qualify na players no eba se Burkina twom semi-finals no na omo aboto omo bomabu ade na qualification wo na omo tese akwanya betima qualify no ho ana players na ba ne dem coach they say ahye unkran qualification chance wo ebe qualify on so co players no omo rooms no omo di nkoma and that's ho entine omo betimi aye adwuma no eno ensemo di tudwa omo wi ana final game na nkasa eso atimi aba so eno Burkina Faso and Cote d'Ivoire and the pim so and 7 p.m. and no ebetima bas automatically omumienu enya qualifier omo ebekwa kopiem ewo eba AFCON proper na and bi biasbe kama and no ede ba ede emamon jenwram ewo Gani amputee football team no omo ekokowura mu ewo Egypt ekosi aka ni nyina no say 2024 African Amputee Cup of Nations no etimi eba so ema Sompa ye do mo chabo mu dawro efribo mo koye de tofom bia no ye mfa enkame mo omo wie so se de ekobia no ye don update esan ede ebremo na ukowra manura omo Morocco ene timi kopiem ofana na eno amame support no munyaye ewo stadium before the kick-off na nkasa na wohwe chesa man ho do awuram ewo necessarily on fo nyina supporto eye Ghana ye national team na no de entie om support om de Ghana na kakra Ghana, hey, Ghana, and no Sierra Leone. For and so far Sierra Leone for qualify. Now say omo airtight Ghana chi. I'm a biaso ayakama and an almost support and run. Young game the panel Ghana. Yachi Morocco. So etimi abo omono. Let's say bia dinako chomu 2-1. Ghana ya de defend ya champion no. I'm a bear kama. Na osha adesa dressing room. Nessa ni jeno bruta. Yancha Ghana ye place e ba so much Morocco. Etimi etchom no. Say the dressing room na Nigerian esitie eno edete no nese urama nese enonyam ka nyankopon ampa omo say in God we trust eno omo slogan omo di ewram ho na yenhwe trophy presentation no na yenhwe said esi ekoye na bibia de dam hwe se omo tigana animu a nese de champions na si omo nim na bibia kama hwe medals a eda omo animu a omo age asan e defend amabia aye kama no ma debi keke edima the black challenge trophy no and ya de ekwa akoma opintel the captain and ever virgin she Ghana their footballers ranka so omodo omo na mienu bono antimi anye no sabie nuanu ma omo edi damdom na ba akobɔ no omo timi agye hwe omo agye esom de kom and yaw ni suo ni areho and de akwa represent Ghana etimi agi ekruwa we edama oman Ghana omama pamamu ani jeno etimi ekoso ye esuma bibia esu etimi eye fine eno eni ebusa coach odom kwa fan coach Richard Obin Steven ese coach tonura moje kruwa yi dem se donation bi etimi abo achede bi free ba bi abana yente donations etimi koma so ba bia efira ekoye
Lutakin, His Excellency the Ambassador of the Republic of Ghana here in Cairo gave a cash of 10,000 Egyptian pounds to the team on the page after we lifted that trophy. And Mr. Dean also congratulated us and he said what he promised us, he said, let's get home. Whatever I said that I will give you, which he didn't mention. Let's get home, I'll get it for you.
eno ensema coach editu dwasa urama nurse ambassador ojina Ghana nam wo Egypt and say enu urama 10,000 Egyptian pounds nurse ode back Ghana about 3,000 here chire and obey donation eso ede ema wo mo enu achi na Reverend Samson Dean eso etim ewurawura mu a and Samson Dean so eka kire wo mo say oh mo bia 1,000 Ghana cedis from day one kosi fana no omsaji crew ana o wa chede bia obesa na 1,000 Ghana cedis or Maki Obiano or some bedru Ghana ha no the sense cano eso ede amomo and no boshani de communia noa Obian Timinia Shemom Samson di free Ghana kono or the Ghana Diana Koma womo and a Ghanaian ambassador to Egypt eso ekomom wache and jolofa omusu edi dima bibia eso etimi eye kama and no edi atem yabusa ko ise kochito na sese mu travel arrangement no say na city yete samo ba no pai na ebi eba na say na city.
Luther King. 13 of the players have departed. They'll be landing in Ghana by 11:30. 2 of the players remaining here in Cairo and the technical team. We will join them in Ghana soon.
Eno ediatia yede emamu ewo eye dwumadie no so na uko ekorama eno achi no kire se o sese bia dikai na wo saba be wurama eye ade se owura ye friend Richard Obion ye coach no ye busa se o team ni bedru a o ma rival no schedule ete say na ha na asem no o se o munye ne sa afra se.
Okay, so now definitely we all know if we draw straight to the hotel. That is how it is. 2021 we're doing on the Oko Hotel to find a place for us to rest and tell the minister make arrangement to Kushiano. I'm hoping, say, and still thinking, say, it will be the same thing. They will take us into a hotel, then they will let us know when we are meeting the minister. This time around, it's not going to be. We are not going to admit. Say, they take us to a hotel for 1 day. And they dispatch us to our various home. No, this is so huge, and Ghanaians have to enjoy this win. So we personally, with my players, and I will discuss with Mr. Dean that we have to have a parade. Like, yeah, this is so huge, you know, back to back for a second time and third time in the continent championship. It's a great thing we all have to enjoy. We know if Morocco would have
o se omu bedra say last year omu kwagendo omu ye ne bia no mbe ye omu mbeka se omu koda hotel ebe 1 day bi omu omu no mbeka sa obia enko eye ni krom na lorry fare na se transportation we de be ma wo se afi omu nye sa bibia mu obia no e wo se mu de ema wo omu nya sa omu nko no mbe se e wo se omu sa eye parade bi e se crew we de Ghana for support omu de omu no e sombu pa enu ensam odi tujo wie ni ebusa se na World Cup no Ghana mo qualify mo be kwa na se munko
amenda wase ma hwefo ne matiefo na and before the final games, before even the 3rd and 4th place now, we have a platform with all the countries who are participating in this AFCON there. So it was sent by the WAF representative to confirm the qualified countries if they are going to participate in the World Cup, and Ghana confirmed that will be participating. So we are good to go because they had to confirm it and make it like official. So yesterday, if you watch the closing ceremony, we mentioned all the countries that have qualified. So Ghana have qualified and
na se Ghana qualify da World Cup no ye kono chirechire mo na uwram ayemfa nto anim ese some clubs e Ghana Premier League no omo se omo pese Ghana Football Association panyimfo be ya anka league games 3 games academy club ya no anka omo en suspended league matches na kakra na anka Dreams omo 2 games outstanding na aka no anka omo claim free ho ansa na se omo betimi abo remaining games na omo timi abo enu ye de abo yemro mo kotokone as kakra na nano kotokone as o study bibia babia kotoko goalkeeper Frederick Asare bedabia no na cameraman bi ejina na chi sa cameraman no wantwa picture ba akokra Sam hwehwem no onya cameraman sa kotokofo kofa no Western region ene de ne bae ena oya dese omde ne bae chese obe na adwuma no mashada de camera ato no kom ena ogina Frederick Asare achi bibia na kofu bi na hwa no nyina hye fugu yeso mo ye protocol officers edema eye kotoko team no
sanction protocols I'm aware of so
ena na no be na kotoko ade se na no dem say original NCC chairman no on be do kroma Friday ebe ye adwuma saa ansana Sunday no etimi akoso na nura Alex Manu beduru ha ena oba studio na ebusa Alex Manu say Alex DNA secret a etimi boa mu ana magic no ene de hen ema mutimi che house eye house defe saa no
magic ni nya enkabomu
okay
enkabomu na ma bibia o se sama asantema akon na edi nkuni bebrebe na enkabomu asantema wo e asantema akon na wa dwen se obey betray ana to be intruder na yi wa film pata se ene na ma we nya ide ba no amene chama Christopher de manya na kolidi team don ba brother sports stadium to san kabomu na maybe na what team wa kamini nya na ye jare nya ato nche because ye kukura ye hwan nya kotoko mana ne nya ye na sha chama region chama kotoko mana ye
yes
ye nya ko jabonte kunto kona de team ko relegation na mfa so pa ba so na ne sen kotoko was formed in 1935 me ma me kwa ne me ma me de fa nya on be 2 years ba me na me o na me ni ba bia dabi na me person kotoko be ko relegation ko ye show ye body shamra enye ne boy udi tum na sugu anye de enye enti tama first one House of Folk here some dom hu mu baba sports de Missy Cross
o mo se no na ba na mo bom nsam ko fu di aba ye be ti o mo ha
ko me ka se boy home match bi wi na me ye interview me ka se House of Folk dom hu ma ba ha ni an sha mo da na me da
eno edete a ye de mamo odwumade no so bre no kwana mum Kofi Abanga ese has players na mo de mo asem de has team be ko relegation no mo de mo fa team no kwa has players na mo de team no ko relegation ye nte Kofi Abanga
Bolivia
serious has cut again na ye 15 obi sa sha obi sa ye ho akosi ami akosi 16 na ye real relegation zone two every seven if ye kwambo no me who be say that oh and na no me no ka make no place no more sisia no sisia mumudi ne ebu me Kofi Abanga ne momiti in the over town na the team na accommodation na ya bodi abaye that ayi at da homa mo a to je mo a e o ma team na wi a hemfa na momoko
eno yen sama Abanga di tuja obi no so advice we edema Hearts of Folk players no ene fans no yente Kofi Abanga
say me dey e say ene ma e say ye dey ma players me say players me be o me no mo team komo so ye ka be bre chiro mo bet me woni say o mo mfa e dey say ne dey ye be fa o match so mo pese e bu to jo mo a o dey ye chiro mo o mo go ja park no so a o mo nyi o mo ye my 3 matches na aka no o dey o mo nyi o mo ye my o mo ku o mo ho asana me ka no o mo ku o mo ho na mo mo ne say do mo bo final cap no match bi o mo bia e final so mo bo no mo ku o mo na fans na so mestre o mo say o mo so ma players no pressure because we be adu no ye nyina ye hia e mo ye hia o mo mo ane players no so ye hia o mo mo a
fancy na Steven Dese Mukwala dem no ka nano abra game no ekoso na eye agent bi free South Africa ye fe no Paul Musuani obetena eye baba yara na o hweso de ba ye meti say o kom Moldova o kom Moldova na ya mponsan kom no ne tino adru akire pa
aso mo qualify for Champions
League ye meti say
UEFA
ne kwa also sign 3 seasons season we bana we kotoko ai misine na kasa Mukwala kasa
kine so we go for free
eye so mo de campo mano Mukwala nya ready
na so go for free
but the mate said this week I'm see no ebe wura fikesiem ne nana kushia de koto na nanim so mo sere ankoma Mukwala ntena for 1 season emfa ema wo mo nti say the mate no say ombe wura mo nshade adesere
Champions League anthem na ba ya na no wo hye o
sao to be advice Mukwala wonko
o eno de ono na busuafo ntem asem
ana your champion so Diana Force and performance
Martin Luther
or to say on best extended Yamano.
Okay, well, me that say now yeah, so real quick. Express Group according to phone in an call Express Group or Omoje Visa Emma Simple. One more ticket and a former year Emma Momo Koto, Momo Besamoko holidays, Momo Besamoko Toa, Musuku, so say a scholarship, Sabia University, and a simple Obersoko your masters, our manane, Australia, a quite them New Zealand, a fay, Germany, UK, Canada, and a US, and a beso Quaninano, Express Group, and so ebeboa am out die so abam nurses and midwives am obesa mokoto am adwuma so no ayelt no nyina no omo na do be fam school for no aye GRE and SAT and diaka Kumasi ya asafo labor runabout and cry Kaneshi First Light and afi odu takrade so a market circle no ma pe 0249 000448 and 0555550067. Yes, Apostle, my memram ho enough. I'm Zakawi. Yenyan round table na. Yen fara kaka.
We no boa.
Mike was say sports minister not
1 minute. Come on, me wish me nua penny, me bra penny na any birthday.
New London.
Okay, nice. And they say no be crowd to man. Abada dada. Abana so be asbana so send it.
Your birthday no when fear.
I me wish me have bra penny, me senior brother no Emmanuel Akosia PJ. A happy birthday. Once I'm in the sekura.
I ain't now showing Italian bano.
Italian.
Mike says
Italian.
I mean, I'm gonna.
What it was? Thank you.
PJ. Oh, a champion.
Of course, oh yeah. Yes, I would. It's in a mishra that on your case that you don't service will be a shra boss patrol.
Yourself, the collect on
now, the patrol Musi
sports minister.
Oh yeah, why they?
My chronic canon of say or no base 6 minutes later or 20. So honorable Mustafa received him send up boys in the war.
Egypt. Or there who was the minister congratulating? Black Challenge. Where a wicked tweet.
Apostle say
a wicked tweet. A tweet of cruelty and wickedness. Tremodin pa. And a common diomona sebi omuyem a big crying yari. No mo kofa tuanobra. Never ma tweets. What are you tweeting for? What effort did the ministry make? Now why are you tweeting for congratulating who? They are death warrant or what? What is it? Subaya, wickedness and cruelty are the highest evil. You penny for no. Sabe wouldn't have been a war black challenge no more.
What man?
Who you the minister? Is that how you would have
treated them? Feel
that they'll go hungry? Have no hope from anybody. Was senior director of finance who himself didn't know why he was there, or because he's space or home. Then you don't have a shame as a minister. You don't have shame. Only shame. And then you don't have a sense of remorsefulness. And now there's a tweet. Tweet for what? You should be ashamed of yourself. And I'll not be surprised or Chinaba we
Mike
Samsidin, please. Samsidin, please, you are a friend. But I mean, when it comes to this level, it doesn't matter who you are as a friend. Nyawa promise you, make sure you give them. Or that one, I will deal ruthlessly with you. I'm telling you this. You have a friendship, don't you? What you promise the players of the Black Challenge, make sure, Samsidin, you give them. Now, Black Challenge players don't tell me. Say promise dear mama free hotel, hotel. They should stay in the hotel till the money. Sa sebi kokro the John last your sister yom ko wini buy no. Oh munko ye de be mamu NCB omu ye kotompo for. Omu kam omu fa hye musemansa. Because what happened the last time shows that omu nyan crofile some trust yomu. Yem penny are not trustworthy. Until look at what they've done. When was the last time? Na omu kono minister Otwiti.
David. Omujiwe de say omujiwe na bantu obi abese wa associate.
Now look, it's so disheartening. Yeah. The so-called sports I say skabe Black Stars skabu we mu skabe no mu hia. But enyonyam kese a omo de abagana.
Omo could do few hours before omo first game.
Yeah. Trophy why when you break gidi. You want to be seen in camera. Edu trophy there. You want to position yourself.
Coach no class who place because come de omo boys we mo obi ma sebi ba ko nan atwa ba ko nsa atwa na come de no fa me bobo. Oh, you Morocco. Who was catching Morocco for? We must share man for Asha. What general Morocco? Assange this edition,
back to back. And yeah, we inform who we are so cruel. Say we don't care whether they are okay, they are nice or not. Once more, be your tourist on Kokoshom. Obi or no call the baby a tourism job. The director, so-called director of finance, okay, what happened? We have not seen him again. If you hotel no more dark crimes, anytime to Ambampo. These are the kind of so-called wicked leaders we have in the country who are leading our sports. Kudos to them, Black Challenge. A great job. I'm so proud of them. So proud of them. All of us here, we are so proud of you. My idea, a compa.
Hopeless.
And Omudi asida.
Yeah.
And then Yama eradi because Nyomu Femono.
Yeah.
And Penifonu Trimudin Bonsam Subaya or Mude Dieti Almono. Jisse and Nyami God saw them through.
Omodo essay.
Sikasa. Even pedium, they didn't have common pedium, they didn't have it.
Jesus Christ.
Common pedium. Momoya mo side crack mumam pedium. Those are the people we give or entrust our institution to their care. Omuni sebi. But coach no why there.
What budget about Mizazo mates no. Schools and ground.
Something I'm the coach man.
Honestly, coach of the tournament. What's the one boys in go show who baby o mafa? Because boys no come do mo nidi.
Na
o kana macaroni and as all profilize in Italia. No mudina na joko die.
Yeah, the trophy ne awards in a year player. Mohamed Mubarak nenya player of
the tournament.
Coach of the tournament. Why?
And one thing I love about the Obiya no say ono after school no oko tertiary kakao techie. The techie no try call coaching courses ne hunyoma for this particular kind of
so no be choose our path
no and no coaching club or
serious.
Oh yes, professional putting league. Professional.
Don't team one for players when you now come naturalize them attack for. Make us one naturalizing. You be no naturalization. There be a woo but to say imagine say no Okocha the thing is boys will move the last edition almost open and then be munyai. But you Prado. Yes, see mansions ama bi mo.
Apostle.
Ba oba one menya hwe.
Me busan several times say aden the motivation. Oh you say ono akra onim
Sompa sports.
That's one thing about passion.
Because ono aba kroma be justify. Apostle was here. Oni omon call for. Nobody paid for it.
Ono
be justify what I say.
But you see first and this is where leadership comes in. When Francis Ajete Soa in charge. Good. I think that it was then under the former sports minister, Apostle Offer, Kofi Umado. Yeah. Now, not omo bibi kakra. Enti omo ba so omo be justify say na komia no omo ye no way. Pajo,
okay.
University.
Okay.
But omo pe hotel. Enti e bia o free baby omo chem 2 sectors. Enti your southern sector, northern sector. Mo bani na ye campo no mako campo hotel. No ma ye justify say 2 days or 3 days so. Omo no mbehwe. There was a budget then. No mo se same. So it was after a year Clement Kofi Umado ko ye no. Omo se same say no mo ropi omo programs ni na mfamfa NSA. And the issues in Havana. So I know that the issues ni be. But first that they went direct to the sports ministry. But see it is a fab obiso na kwenti. Me the best is just create a desk for disability sports. It was sports ministry. And anything disability sports, say a para athlete, a footballers, a honor beko, then
omo protocol they go straight to the minister and they fast track communion their mom.
I agree.
Now it's simple
because Oko University, especially on more higher education courses, they teach you special education.
Yeah.
Your more specifically special education for people who are disabled. It's on Nipano Oko school we are say. These are the moments how we hear such people around such a sporting personality.
Sompa sports.
Push them and make sure so meet my confident. Now
I'm family course. Masa, don't forget to my family course.
Every department, be an every ministry, be an. There is a quota to employ disabled people. I was saying depend qualify, but we're disabled. Quota be our ministry, be say far disabled. Be
Tugba banke kasi glibo so kalu. Taka Stevie, usi yani abreo kocha. Taka Stevie was a spiritual teachings and odin days. Spiritual talks and afi aye dia basa neoma nkwe oton ayen toni nyina no problem Fretogbe 0244484747 Joso Fijasi Road Bonfort Hospital Junction na Togbe and e wo me family course no 05519319310548931931 yemfa course. Hello caller. Hello. Hello, caller. Hello. Yes, Openi.
When you are
Solo, it's you.
Nana from Power to watch among the Jano. Mamma, when I the point in Abasopa, Nam Church about the Note of Wapia Coca. Naka can say, I'm between you, Tim Yamo Bason, or my idea. By your best I'm telling for, and not say, or more attending to them. Because you share. Abain said the new boutique no and actually the new disabled on one and so so almost the because the achievement you set a black time holding your mind here don't only have for the one you jam or the example here to me or not for jitter and the other bar and the moment home not the disabled piano almost almost immediately that's it
Matthew so by hello caller.
Yes sir.
Yes so Penny it's you.
First of all there
Nyame adom.
Ana pasi wadambo. Ya for promotion moja yana.
Dabi enyaye.
Oh, wampa mujana mutatu wala kwa.
Ai, product ba mutianka.
Ya papa. Udi chuchuzi ya. Ni wedu matu kwa wine.
Sompa sport.
Ke pasi, wede wa fasi wa Kenya Robert. Meka tefi kuchunga tai buta chuchuzi plan pe. Eka kemi Kenya nise. Omusha hatu kwa company ni chatu ya. Ya soli afni ya sepe radio. Sinti na hatu kwa kumpe infono. Omadawroma omugala mufani amapotongo akuna hasi ko kitibe fanje ese na tie ese na nusu ba fere na dawroma odi shetu mi that's my tene hasi ko kitibe na yede fati ya da yenda
okay ya say hello caller.
Yeah, Di Maria.
Yes Penny, good morning it's you.
Yeah, good morning. Ya say me dey papa ya boy because put here
ya boy it's you.
In fact ya me dey pa me see them patient every project we are sorry in akopon show me in fact the pains and emotions are let me start sorry like here the pattern. See now again I am pain so sometimes you don't know how so you not to one so come sometimes maybe I you to come and be a area na your face. You want your more papa yes. That way not all that you play affair. For no me on time the 1 year no for what? See no man ko do ba no this year. Na man ko do ba no ko this year. No because I am paying for no I have brought your chain. Didi na come.
Mate.
Na ya be Ukraine senior. No papa be yes go.
Yeah, CP from Sunyai. Hello caller.
Yeah, the
yes,
great fancy.
Opening yet you.
Yeah, Pastor Anna ni Quincy Kojo.
Okay, yet you.
Yeah, mama Pastor. Na amputi for na me ba Pastor. Pastor my ye papa. Yan ka je pen for do mo ni kwa mu na mbo Pastor. Na coach na ba Jesus e mana kwa ba because Enzo not obeka Enzo Fernandez mo. Any chukwe na kam ho dia, let us say dia championship ready. Let us just be for.
Okay. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes, I'm batch of it's you.
Hello.
Hello caller.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Udini baby aga say free.
Oh, Charlie. You pay for na mo boy now. You pay for mo boy. E bi se se no we mu ko ji ba no se o se enyi na eni agi. Hello.
Yeah, Openi.
Me say you pay for the boy now. Because
Whoa, Yevensina, Yensorusuna, Young Queen, real quick. Mamina birthday's name Queen. Happy birthday to Mrs. Eunice Boateng. DJ Fine, say Yarishe, Mrs. Eunice Boateng. Our dapa, DJ Fine, our Germany. So happy birthday, or no, and Mrs. Eunice Boateng. A face special birthday to Alice, Jamase Dewu, Benzema of Asante Agona, and Erisho, our dapa. So Alice, or birthday, and so, I don't know. And a happy birthday to Hubert Kwaku Ajman from Kingsley. And I say, Yaresho, I would up Hubert. And your birthday. And I say, happy birthday to Asari Mavis. Asari Mavis in Swene, your birthday. Happy birthday. And so, Echo, a day. I'm out. Your brass, your sorry news. And it was, you know, BBC, your best shit. Yeah, 5G. Yes. 5G. Yeah. Ome munye nara. Dunya ye.